Woke up this morning and I'll be damned. It was Monday again. Worked all my life, never missing a day. And I'm still poor as hell, but all my bills, they are paid. Got 2 ex-wives, another one on the way. God, I need a break. Lord, I need a rainy Monday. Lord, let me have a rainy Monday. Let me stay home and watch Netflix all alone. Let me hear that wind blow, that thunder roll, pouring all day long. Lord, I need a rainy Monday. Let me just stay here all alone. Lord, I need a break from this world. I got 2 ex-wives and another one on the way. A rainy Monday, rainy